Are you looking for a body wash that doesn't break the bank, smells good, leaves your skin actually moisturized, and it's almost available anywhere, even online and in most big box stores? Stay tuned because we're gonna do a review of Method Men body wash and see if it actually is worth your money. Now, if you watched any of my reviews before, you know I like to start off with what's important to everyone, the price. And this one comes in at a good old $7. That's online, that's in Target, that's anywhere else I can find it. I didn't get it on sale, that's just what it is. And that $7 will get you an 18-ounce bottle. For reference, the Cremo body wash that I reviewed was a 16-ounce bottle, and it was just around the same price. The price, good in my book. Now, a quick few notes that I want to add about Method Men and this product as itself is that it is cruelty-free. There aren't any parabens in it. It is a B certified corporation, and 65% of this bottle is actually made from recyclables. So it's a very environmentally friendly brand. So if that's anything for you, then this might be something you want to look into. And I know you guys don't care, but they're based in San Francisco, from what I can find out. A few notes on the packaging. Just from looking at it and from the get-go, it does have like this super manly vibe to it, like this dark army foresty green to it. Bulky for the most part, but I will say that whatever this material is or something like that is grippy, and it stays grippy in the shower. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they did that on purpose, which I think a lot more bottles and companies need to start doing that because it helps. It does help. Maybe it's just that some got out on the side, I don't know, but it's really grippy and stays grippy in the shower. I like it. I like it a lot. But since it is super recyclable, it doesn't feel like it. I mean, it mushes in pretty easily, but who's like, damn, I'm not buying this because the bottle feels recycled. But overall, pretty basic packaging. There's nothing crazy to it, and it's got like all these cool little details and ingredients and a short story at the top. So the scent I got is Juniper and Sage. It sounds exactly like what you would think. It's kind of earthy, more of a floral smell to it. Super undertoned. It's not really strong or overwhelming at all. I personally like that because I've said it before. I don't want 12 different smells coming off of me at the same time. I want something, you know, that's good. And when I say floral, I don't mean feminine at all. There's nothing wrong with a floral scent, smell, fragrance, or anything like that. Juniper and Sage seems to be a pretty common like scent or fragrance among just brands in general. So you probably can, if you did go with this one, you can probably choose some other different products from different brands, but kind of the same scent. Now you may be saying, Chris, what about the lather? I'll tell you about the lather. It lathers up quite nicely, I must say. But no, for real, it's nothing crazy about it. It's just some bubbles. It lathers up. I will say, for point of comparison, compared to the Cremo, compared to Axe, I guess, it doesn't lather as well as those, but you're not, unless you're really looking at it like I do sometimes, you're not gonna be like, oh man, this lather is trash. I did feel like I had to use a little bit more to cover my body and all that other stuff, but it was pretty good overall. It was good. It wasn't great. Didn't suck. It was good. This might be the place where this shines the most. Moisturizing. This actually had my skin feeling really good. Like, I didn't put on lotion specifically for 3 days after using this just to see how long I could go without doing it. And that's what I got to. About 3, probably 4 days before I was like, okay, I need to start putting lotion on again. This right here, this one, this does it well. That is where this shines for sure for me. It's not the scent. It's not the lather, it's none of the other stuff. It's how moisturized my skin felt after the shower. And I was like, damn, you got something, y'all are doing something right over there. Y'all are doing something right for sure. And last but not least, would I purchase it again? Hell yeah, I would. But yeah, without further ado, my name is Chris, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I just want to say thanks guys for 350 subscribers. I mean, I know compared to relatively on this platform, that's not a lot at all, but holy